Should you pay to learn how to sing, or are free online resources enough? We'll be comparing Singorama, a popular paid program, to the world of free singing lessons on the web. Pros of free lessons. Cost effective, you can't beat free. This is a great option if you're on a budget. Variety of resources, there's something for everyone, with lessons on different techniques and styles. Convenience, learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Cons of free lessons. Quality can vary, not all free content is created equal. You might find conflicting information or exercises that aren't suitable for beginners. Lack of structure, free lessons might not offer a clear, step-by-step approach to learning. No personalized feedback, you won't get the benefit of a teacher correcting your technique or tailoring lessons to your needs. Now, let's look at Singorama, a paid online singing program. Pros of Singorama. Structured curriculum, a clear learning path takes you from basic techniques to more advanced skills. Expert instruction. Learn from professional vocal coaches who provide guidance and explanations. Personalized practice tools. Singorama offers warm-up apps, karaoke tracks, and other resources to help you practice effectively. Supportive community. Connect with other Singorama users for encouragement and feedback. Cons of Singorama. Cost. There's a subscription fee involved, which might not be ideal for everyone. Limited interaction. While Singorama offers some community features, it doesn't replace the personalized feedback of a live vocal coach. Ultimately, the best option depends on your learning style, budget, and goals. Find out more in the link at the comments or description below.